If you're looking to enhance both the benefits and functionality of your home, custom-made smart window shades are the way to go. These innovative shades combine style and technology, allowing you to effortlessly control lighting, privacy, and energy efficiency with just a touch. With customizable features tailored to your unique needs, these smart shades can seamlessly integrate into any home decor. Say goodbye to manual adjustments and hello to a more convenient and comfortable living space. Discover the endless possibilities of custom-made smart window shades and transform your home today. This is just one of hundreds of positive reviews you'll find on Home Stars for Diamond Custom Shutters' 99% rating and professional window covering services for residential and commercial. As a reminder, businesses cannot pay Home Stars to alter or remove any of their reviews. Each review that comes in goes under comprehensive review moderation to avoid fraudulent, fake reviews. See the link in the description to see why our clients in Ontario love our window covering products.